Hey, hi, welcome guys. Welcome back to our channel, which is Fibron. Before going to start what we are going to discuss in today's session, before going to start, I would like to say Happy New Year. Wishing you very Happy New Year's. I know you all guys already set your resolutions, and like you, I also set my resolution in this new year. I am going to come up with some new videos for you guys so that you will, you can learn a lot of new things here. So today I'm going to discuss about matchers. Basically, we had already created one playlist for the regular expression, and in my first video I showed you what is regular expression, what is the use of regular expression, and I had shown you many of the function of the regular expression. So regular expression is coming with the RE package, which is inbuilt package of Python. Once you are installing the Python in your local machine, automatically RE is going to be installed in your local machine. So for this, no need to install any in another library, right? So we had already shown you, the four important function like find all, search, split, and substitute. These are the four basic function we had discussed in my first video. And in today's video, what I'm going to show you, in today's video, I'm going to show you matchers. What is basically matchers? Matchers is basically used to match the, is basically used to match the matching criteria. Basically, I can say, let's suppose I have a text, and in this text, whether these things is coming in this text or not. So let's see how we can match, how we can find this. First matcher is this one. It is used a set of character, means I'll show you with the example, don't worry. A set of character. Okay, next is backward slash. Next is backward slash. What it does, backward slash is used to, you can say example, you can take it as like this, slash d, and here also you can take an example like a to z, and similarly here also. So these are the different matchers. Third matchers is dot. I'll give you the example. I means I'll show you. I'll give each and everything with the example. Don't worry at all. Just note down all the matchers. What are the different type of matchers we have? So another thing is this one. Fifth one is dollar, and sixth one is ashtray. Seventh one is plus matchers, and eighth one is curly braces. Ninth one is pipe sign, and 10th one is uh, this one. Okay, let's discuss all those things one by one. Let me put over the comment. First, we are going to discuss about this one. First one. So what is the, how the use of the first one? Okay, so let me just show you the first thing, how we can correlate the first thing. Okay, so number one, number one number we are going to discuss about this and how it is going to work. Just import the function, import re, and inside of re we can push the text is equal to, this is the my name is Rajesh Thakur, my name is Anthony Gonsalves, Anthony. And now what I'm trying to do, so what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to say x is equal to re dot find all, and you know all you guys already know what is the use of find all. So find all is the function which will find, which will give return a set, not set, which will return a list where the condition will match. That's all. Wherever the condition will match, that it will return. So what I'm trying to say here, find all between a to m, a to m, a to m, and from which it has to find text. So it will return all those things and print x, and print x, print x, print x. Now if I'm trying to execute this code, if I can able to execute this code, run matchers, I can see AMEH came, but why not this capital M came? Because capital M is not coming under this criteria A to M, because A to M means small a b c d it will take. Okay, so this M will not consider, and here A also not came, right? So now if I can execute this, then I can see all the matchers came here, right? So this is the criteria A to M, means between A and M, whatever alphabet is coming here, that is coming here. So y not came. Why? Because y is out of this bound. That's what it not came. So this is the first matchers. This is the first matcher example. Second matcher is what? Second matcher, I had told you, right? This one. So what it will do, let's me put over the comment, this one first. And now second one I'm going to show you. This one also I'm going to put over the comment. So this will not execute at all. So third one, second one I'm going to show you. So again, this package is important. So what we can do, basically, I am going to uncomment this line and uncomment this line. So my name is Anthony, and what we can do, x is equal to re dot find all, and here we can pass /d and comma text. So what it will do, 1 minute, I have to change my text first. So my name is Anthony and I am 56 years old. 56 years old. Okay, cool. Now let's see first. Let me execute this code, what it will return. Okay, I haven't print that. Let me print this first. Print x. And now if I'm trying to execute, now you can see it is returning only numbers. So whenever you have to check is in the text, if there is any number, then you can use this parameter, means /d. So /d will give you, /d will give you numbers. If any numbers will be present in the text, then it will give you that sequence. Okay, so that's fine. Third one is we have this dot. Okay, so third one, let's discuss about the third one. Control V, and I am going to copy this line and comment this line also. So this is that, and here instead of text, what we can do, I'm writing something, some small thing, hello India. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here, just I am typing here he dot o. Okay, so what it will happen, just try to understand this thing. And now if I'm trying to execute this code, what is going to be happen? It is not going to, okay, sorry, instead of 0 I should write o. So that is the mistake I did. So can you see this? So what it's mean, basically, it's mean that the word which start from he and end with o, and in between of that two alphabets should be there. One dot for one alphabet, second dot for second alphabet. And let's suppose if I am going to put a third dot here, so what it will return? It will not return anything. Why? Because there is no word which start with he, there is no word which start with he and end with o, and in between this he and o, three alphabet. It is not like that. Let's suppose I'm going to put something, and now if I'm trying to execute, now I'm getting this thing, right? Because it is starting from C. Can you see this? It is starting from he and o, ending with o, and in between the he and o we have three alphabet. So any three alphabet which is coming with this, then we can obviously we can do these things. So that is one thing we can wrap it up, and we can find it up, we can match these things. Fourth expression is you can say carrot. Sometimes people used to say this carrot, and sometimes people used to say a cap sign. Okay, so fourth one is, let me give the comment for this carrot. And what is that? Just put me by the comment this. And okay, so what I'm trying to do, let me change this, hello India, and here instead of this I'm changing this hello, and here I am putting the carrot. Okay, and hello and text. And now if I'll print this, it is giving, okay, yeah, that is correct, right? Okay, GLLO. Okay, correct. So what is means, so it will check if the string start with hello or not. So what it will return, it will check it will check, it will check the string start with hello or not. It will check the string start with hello. Okay, so these are the different kind of matchers, you can say. Third, fourth we done, and dollar is just opposite, means it will check whether your string is end with that particular or not. Okay, whether your string is end with that particular things or not. Okay, so how we can, okay, here I made a one mistake. You can do one thing here. Instead of writing x, you can say if x means if this string means text string is starting with this hello word or not. If it is starting with hello, then I can print yes string is started with hello, and else we can print no matches. That's all. Now if I can execute this code, I can see yes string is starting with the hello, right? Because string is starting with the hello, right? So let's suppose what I can do, I can just print here w. I can just put, I'm changing my string. Now I can see so still it is saying yes string is starting with the hello, because still it is starting with the hello. At the means after hello there is a w. What we can do, just a minute, I'll change here w, and now if I'm executing this, no matches, because there is no string which is going to be start with the hew, right? So that's what is not going to happen. Opposite to fourth number, I'm just going to copy paste this line of code, and I'm going to paste it here, and let me put over this also comment. Okay, and fifth number is similar, just change this caret to dollar. And now how it is going to be check, means if any string is going to end with, if you are changing this dollar, okay, if we are going to change this dollar, so what it will do, print x and hello, that's okay, we have to keep it here India. Okay, and now if we can execute this code, what is going to happen? No matches. Okay, fine, I got it. I guess I'm doing some mistake here.
Power off.
Yes, the string started with hello. Okay, so I have to change this also, right? Yes, string is ended with uh, ended with ended with India, right? Okay, now if I'll execute this, now you can see yes string is ended with in India. And yeah, so it's the same, right? Fourth and fifth is I guess approximately same. Only thing caret is used to start with, and dollar is used to end with, right? So let's understand the asterisk. Seventh one is asterisk. Oh, sorry, sixth one is asterisk. So ashtray part, how the ashtray is going to work, just try to understand the ashtray one. Okay, so sixth one we are going to discuss about the sixth one now. Okay, so guys, sixth and seventh, sixth, seventh, eight, I'll make a different video, 6 to 10. Okay, so because otherwise this video become a bulky. So next thing, remaining thing I'll discuss in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this. If you really like this regular expression things, then please do like our video, so that really get our update. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.